Welcome back, folks. It's Jab Anima back again. In your quest as a Blender artist, what should you be learning next? I watched many videos on this topic and everybody said the same thing. Oh, well, you need to decide what do you want to do with Blender. Well, how can I know what to do with Blender when there's a million things to do? It's kind of like choosing your major on your first day in college, and everybody changes their major. Why? Because they see different things. Their friends are doing something different. They take an introductory class and exposes them to something different. And that's what I would do with Blender. You need to go out there, see what are people doing on ArtStation, what are people doing on Instagram, take an introductory class to something that you may not initially be interested in, because Blender rewards curiosity. I know the pressure is strong to get to where you want to be and get good at the thing that you want to get good at. But Blender is not about going places fast. Blender is messy and time consuming. That takes me to my second point, which is to put in the time. From 6 months to a year, you're gonna feel like you're going nowhere. But if you're consistently putting in the time, you're gonna develop skills, you're gonna develop the muscle memory and patterns that are gonna speed up your workflow. And that's it for today, guys. Catch me out on YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter, or catch some of my older videos. See you there.